going, guys? I'm Cole from Martin Motorsports. Today we're going to be looking through our 2018 Supra SL. It's part of our Feature 5 program. With the Feature 5 program, you get a free detail and free winterize, and you also get a discounted price, which you can find online. This is a 23.5-foot boat. It's the official towboat of Pro Wakesurf for Bailey Rush. You're running 3,500 pounds of stock ballast, and that's all subfloor. So when we get inside the boat, everything is going to be storage. It's also got a 550 Roush supercharged engine, so you have 580 foot-pounds of torque and 575 horses. So on the back of the boat, we're running a Swell 3.0 surf system. Everybody's got a surf system, everybody does it differently. Supra's done a great job in adding an extra plate on the back, extending the running surface of the boat. So this is going to give you taller and longer waves. And then you have your surf plate attached to that extra piece of metal. That's going to allow you to adjust your wave anywhere from 0 to 100%. So if you're a beginner surfer, you've got younger riders, or you ride a different style board and you like a different shaped wave, that can all be controlled just from this plate. Sticking with the back of the boat, we've got our center wake plate here. What this does is it allows you to adjust the pitch of the boat. So if you've got a beginner surfer, you can drop this plate down, mellow out your surf wave. If you've got a load of people, everybody's sitting in the back and the driver's having a hard time seeing over the bow, he can drop this plate, suck the nose of the boat down to the water, and still have a clear line of sight. We've also we have what's called our surf pipe. This pipe's going to inject the exhaust down into the water, allowing it to come back up behind your surfer rather than getting gassed out at the back of the boat. It also saves your passengers if they're sitting at the back watching you ride. Stepping into the back of the boat, we've got what's called our surf lodge. So you've got a space for your surfboards. If you've got skim styles, you can put a couple in here. Surf style, you might fit one or two. We love it for wet gear. When you get out of the water, take your life jacket off and throw it in there. It keeps the inside of the boat dry. Taking a look at the back of the boat, this is where the subfloor ballast, or majority of it, is contained. If you take a look, most manufacturers are going to have bags back here. Here you've got room for storage, ropes, jackets, anything extra that you might need with your boating experience. And if I open this baby up, we've got our 6.2 liter Raptor, and this is supercharged. So you're going to run that 575 horse and 580 foot-pounds of torque. Another nice feature of the Supra is its standard power tower. If you've got storage issues, if you're trying to tuck it into a garage or you're doing a lot of towing, I can drop the tower down below the windshield. That's going to cut down on bugs. It's going to give me a little bit more storage space. And if you have your bimini deployed and the sun's coming from the front, I can drop it to keep everybody in the shade back here. As we come up to the dash, we've got an electric driver's seat. So everybody's used to flipping up the bolster, sitting on top to overlook the windshield. We can now control how high this seat is just by pressing a button. So get rid of the bolster. If you've got shorter drivers, they can still get up and above the windshield and overlook the bow. We've got heated seats, heaters down here, pull-out heaters. And one of the nicest features in the Supra is the steering wheel controls. We can control our stereo, we can control our rear view camera, we can change our surf wave from side to side on the fly. I can also turn my cruise control on or off. We've also got these tabs on the side of the steering wheel. This controls our wake plate, so if I look back and I see that my rider's got a little bit too much wave for their capabilities, I can drop this wake plate down on the fly and push them off the back of the boat where they're comfortable. I can also make small speed adjustments. One of the most prominent features of Supra is AutoWake. So this boat's running AutoWake 2.0. What AutoWake does is it creates a fun and repeatable wave for any skill level rider. Everybody's had a surf experience where they get out with 10 people, they get out with one person, and that wave is different. Where people are sitting in the boat is different. AutoWake kind of takes that out. Surfing for dummies, for lack of a better term. There's an inclinometer under the dash calculating the pitch and the roll of the boat every 10 seconds. So if if my passenger who's sitting at the back decides they want to come up and sit in the front, AutoWake's going to sense that. It's going to drop some weight in the front, add some in the back to make sure that my surfer maintains a consistent surf wave.